guys, today I'm going to be showing you some of the best coding websites out there. Whether you're a beginner or an expert at coding, you should really check these out because they are just fantastic resources. Now I'm going to start with number 1, Code Academy. Now Code Academy is really top notch. Its lessons are absolutely fantastic. It gives hints and it's just amazing as a resource. The only problem is that a lot of the content on there is restricted unless you're a pro member, and that costs quite a bit per month, about $16 per month. I would highly recommend it, but keep in mind it does require a pro membership. Next is codewars.com. Now Codewars is absolutely just probably the best site out there if you're looking for just an endless supply of fantastic practical problems. Now these problems can range from 8Q to 1Q, with 1Q being extremely hard and 8Q being slightly easier. They provide hints, solutions, and discussions, and these problems are just so good. You can spend hours just looping through katas, which are these like training exercises, and they're just really good. I would highly recommend it, and they even have an honor system, which is like your points to keep you motivated. The next website I'm going to be looking at is called snakeify.org. Now this website is actually exclusive to Python and maybe a bit of web design, so like JavaScript. And the special thing about Snakeify is that it's sort of based on a teacher-student relationship. So if you're a teacher, you can sign up your students and you can track their progress and everything. Next up is kind of a stranger one, I guess. It's called Clash of Code. It can be found on codinggame.com, and it's quite good. The main concept is that you're competing against people to see who can write a function that does this specific thing in the shortest amount of time, and it's sort of like a competition. It's in terms of its actual content, I think it's definitely not as good as Code Wars or Snakeify or Code Academy, but I find the concept really interesting. And sometimes if you're looking for just a quick coding match, it can be really good to try. So that was probably my top 4 websites in terms of actually coding, trying problems, things like that. But if you are looking for courses and lessons, I would highly recommend these 2 websites. First of all, Coursera. It's absolutely fantastic, and it has this great course called the Python for Everybody Specialization. Now, it's important to remember that Coursera does require you to pay for some of their courses, but you can actually enroll for free on this Python for Everybody specialization, and it is just fantastic. It's just great. Now, Udemy. Udemy is a very well-known website. Its courses are definitely top-notch. They come with a Q&A, and the makers of the courses, you can ask them anything. It's incredible, and they have a wide range of courses, even in terms of programming, any language you want. If you want machine learning, they have it as well. The problem is a lot of these courses can sometimes be quite pricey. I remember one machine learning course that was like $300. So yeah. So next up, we've looked at practical problems. We've looked at coding, but what we haven't looked at is actually where to go to if you need help or if you need a wider community to support you. So first of all, obviously, Stack Overflow, my Lord and Savior. Basically, if you just copy and paste an error that your code is throwing, or if you just like type in a query that you have, like, I don't know, how to sum elements in a list, I don't know, just a basic one for you, then it's 99.9% chance that it'll be on Stack Overflow somewhere. Someone will have that problem. So Stack Overflow, definitely 100%. A less obvious choice might be the r/learn programming subreddit on reddit.com. Now r/learn programming is great if you want a little community to band around, and you can also ask questions on there. So let's just look at the homepage. Okay, that's a fun little thing. And then book, and there's some advice there. It's really great. I would strongly advise you to check it out if you're looking for a career in programming, or even if you're just a hobbyist. So yeah, that was the websites that those were my top picks for coding websites. Obviously, if you have any more, feel free to tell me, because I'm always on the hunt for good coding websites. So I hope you found this helpful or useful, and yeah, just tell me if you did. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.